Hello everyone, I received this Garmin navigator for the boat. This is the model number. I got this one from a local customer, and he said this device, it has a burner diode, because he did check it apart and look at it and he did see the burner diode. So I did ask him what causing the diode get burned. Is a war damage or what you think is he doesn't know, because he got the device as is. So let's check it and we see the burner diode. There is a big burn spot here. So you can see this resistor look burns. There is a trace from here to here is gone. These little traces looks burned. This part here, this trace is inside the board. Yeah, when that trace was burned, it's like explode. And there is a trace from this point going under the connector. Is gone. There is one trace here is gone. One trace here is bad, and there is one trace here is bad. So we're still looking for the diode. This is just a diode. That's what the customer think. There is a burned spot here. You can see the smoke under this connector. Sure, there is some burned traces. You're gonna need to check this connector and look inside to see where this burns come. Plus need to check if all the components that's connected to this connector to see if anything shorted or burned. So the other side of the board, we have big damage here too. This big trace, this is a 12-volt input. This one is bad, and you can see all these resistors or all these capacitors. This one, 2, 3, and 4, 5. All of them, they looks burned and bad. You can see some of them, they have cracks. These two pads completely gone. This is the 12-volt VCC and this is the ground. We're still looking for the burner diode that the customer said. It's just a burner diode. So this is a Ethernet bridge. There is a coils inside this one for filtering and boosting the signal from Ethernet. And you can see this resistor is gone. This trace is bad. That from this resistor to the ground or to this trace is gone. This trace under this, I think this is a resistor, low ohm resistor, is gone. And this is look like this is a capacitor, but it's become black because it's burned. I check it quick, this MOSFET. This is N-channel MOSFET. This MOSFET is shorted. So from here to here, short, to here, short, to here, short. So the gate, source and drain, all of them shorted. This is a fuse. The fuse still good. So we checked all device. We couldn't find no burned diode as the customer said. So this device has many problems, especially the problem by the Ethernet. And so this problem here may be like the high voltage is going to go to the network chip. So here, so that high voltage is going to go to the network chip and is going to burn it. Even if I fix the power, yeah, sure it's gonna be having other issues. This is look like a lightning problem, like the lightning hit the antenna, and that power goes to the network down to the chips and burn it. Mostly the burn is by the network area. Let me show you something why I'm thinking that, because this is a Ethernet plug for that one, and if you look inside the plug you will see a burned traces over there. You can see the smokes. Oh, you can see burning, and all the traces are gone. So there is no traces over there. This is what I want to share with you, and we go to the next device. So next is this device here, Niwa. This is a smart plug. It can be connected to the internet. The customer said it has no power. So let's check this one. I'm gonna plug it to the power. No power. No light here. So all the plugs has no power. This one too. Let me plug this one as well. Yep. So no power. Alright, so first we're going to check the fuse to see if it's the same problem as the other one. The fuse is open, so we check the rectifier bridge for short. So no short in rectifier bridge. Check the second, the other fuse is here. It's good. So the capacitors, no short in them. Check of the power IC. So no short in the power IC. Let's see these relays, if it's some of them like stuck open or is a open coil. Sixty ohm, and 60 ohm, 60 ohm. The relays, so the coil is good. Here open, and here open is good. So at the same time we go change the fuse, and it should be good. So let's plug it to the power and we check it. Okay, I did see the blue light, now it's the red light. So that's good. Here, so we still have no power over there. Let me push power button. So nothing. So when I hold the power button, I see the blue is flashing. Maybe that's how it's reset. I click the power button again, I see the red light, but still have no numbers here. Okay, so now I have the power. $120 volt. Yeah, it works. So let's check the 3.3 volt on the other voltage and the 5 volt for the USB. Okay, here is 3.3 and this is a MOSFET and we have 5 volt. Yeah, so we have 5 volt and the USB output. This device works, and this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.